So these are solving harder linear equations. So here we have fractions involved. Let's look at the first example. 3x plus 9 equals 6 equals 2x plus 10 over 3. So the first thing to do is to cross multiply. Cross multiply means 3 is multiplying 3x plus 9 and 6 is multiplying 2x plus 10. So that's what I've just done. So when you're multiplying expression by a number, the best way is to put in brackets. So 3 is multiplying 3x plus 9, so that's 3 into bracket that. 6 is multiplying this, so also in bracket. Then you expand the bracket. You should know how to expand bracket by now. Each number outside is multiplying the terms inside the bracket. 2 times 3x, 9x. 2 times positive 9, 3 times positive 9 is 27. The same on this side. So once you expand the bracket, check there are more x's on the right hand side. So we want to push all the x's on the right hand side. So to get rid of positive 9x is to minus x, 9x from both sides. So you're going to have, this will be 0, and those become 27, then we solve for the rest. So 27 will be equals to 3x plus 60, equals 12x minus 9x is 3x. Now we need to get rid of the positive 60. So we need to subtract 60 from both sides. And be careful with 27 minus 60, do your working out properly. So you're going to have negative 33 equals to 3x. And to get rid of times by 3 is to divide both sides by 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1, so you cross that out, and x is equal to negative 33 divided by 3, which simplifies as x is equal to negative 11. And let's look at the other one where we have fractions involved and it's equal to a whole number. So the first thing you might want to do is to find the LCM. So the LCM of 7 and 2 is what? 14. So what you can do is that once you work out the LCM with the denominators, you can multiply each of the terms by 14. So consider this as one number, multiply it by 14. Consider this as one number, multiply it by 14, and multiply this also by 14. So this is what I've just done. Now you can sort of cancel out some numbers. 7 can divide 14. The 2 can also divide 14. So you simplify them by cancelling out. So it goes in 2 times. 2 goes into 14 7 times. Because there was negative, that's why it's negative 7. If you want to have a look, it's negative 14. So 2 divided into negative 14 is negative 7. And 14 times 3 is what you work out. So you have 42. 14 times 3. Next step is let the 2 expand the bracket. Let the negative 7 also expand the bracket. Equal 42. Then it becomes like these questions. Let's expand the bracket. 2 times into bracket 2x minus 5. When you expand the bracket, that's what you have. Negative 7 times 2x is negative 14x. Negative 7 times negative 1 is positive 7 equals 14. The next thing you need to do is to simplify. 4x minus 14x. You should be able to do that. If not, sure, check on the number line. So you're going to have negative 10x minus 3, because negative 10 plus 7 is also negative 3, and 4x minus 14x is negative 10x, all equals to 42. So it's a standard equation now. How do you get rid of minus 3? By adding 3 to both sides. So you're going to have negative 10x is equal to 45. Negative 10 is multiplying x. So to reverse negative 10 multiplying, you divide both sides by negative 10. Negative 10 divided by negative 10 cancels out, so that becomes 1. So x is equal to negative 45 divided by 10, which gives us negative 4.5, or you can leave it as negative 45 over 10, which could be simplified by dividing both sides by 5, it becomes negative 9 over 2. That's also accepted. So that brings us to the end of solving linear equations. Hope you've enjoyed it. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching.